men and women patriots. Visiting Aldershot, the King, accompanied by the Queen, is received by General Sir John Dill, who presents officers. At Borden, they witness a mock attack being repelled with machine guns. There's a strong wind blowing, and the Queen is well wrapped up with coat and scarf. Now the 60-pounders come into action, and you'll notice that the guns are well camouflaged. A demonstration by anti-tank guns on realistic targets gives evidence of marksmanship. Next day, the King, as Chief of the Royal Air Force, inspects the school for aircraft apprentices.